Mon Petit Placement Robo-advisor for investing full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Mon Petit Placement are in the description if you want to check it out in more detail. Mon Petit Placement is a robo-advisor designed to help both beginners and experienced investors simplify their investment strategy with a tailored, goal-oriented approach. It focuses on making investing accessible for people who want a hands-off solution without sacrificing potential returns. Whether you are just starting your investment journey or looking for a low-maintenance, efficient platform to manage your wealth, Mon Petit Placement offers a streamlined solution. One of the standout features of Mon Petit Placement is its personalized investment portfolios, which are designed based on the investor's financial goals, risk profile, and investment preferences. The platform uses low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds (ETFs) to create diversified portfolios that are well-suited to long-term growth. The platform also employs automatic rebalancing, ensuring that your portfolio remains aligned with your goals as market conditions change, without requiring your active involvement. Another feature that sets Mon Petit Placement apart is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the investment process, making it easy for even novice investors to understand their options. In terms of strengths, Mon Petit Placement excels at its low fees and transparent pricing model, making it an affordable choice for people looking to start investing without breaking the bank. The platform's goal-based investment approach also helps ensure that your investments are aligned with your financial objectives, providing clarity and confidence. However, Mon Petit Placement does have some limitations. The platform offers a more limited range of investment options compared to other robo-advisors, which might not appeal to advanced investors who want more customization. Additionally, while the portfolios are well diversified, they may not suit those looking for specialized or niche investment strategies. Overall, Mon Petit Placement is an excellent option for those who want a simple, goal-focused investment strategy with low fees and automatic management. It's ideal for beginners or those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. If you're looking for an intuitive and affordable robo-advisor, Mon Petit Placement is worth considering. For more information, check the links in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.